Hey guys, it's Angie. Today is Wednesday, day before Thanksgiving. I hope you are hanging out with your family, maybe doing some listing, but just enjoying this time of year. Today I just want to talk to you about 12 items that I sold. I paid less than $10 for all 12 of these items in total, less than $10 for everything, and I sold them for over $200. So if you are a new reseller, this just goes to show you that you can pick things up really inexpensively, flip them for good money. If you could constantly transition $10 into $200, you'll be successful in no time. So let me show you some of the items that I have for you today. The first one is a Smoko butter toast. This little toast lamp. It's a little nightlight. He was so cute. I picked him up for $1 and he was at a local warehouse sale on their very last day when things went to $1. I picked him up and my pictures were actually terrible. Look how dark they were. But I had an original stock photo that I used and it took a while to sell him. But he finally did. I knew he would for a Christmas gift. And he sold for $19.99. This I just picked up 2 weeks ago from Crazy Kaz Boys on their dollar day. And they had probably 300 of these. And now I wish I would have went on the 25-cent day as soon as they opened and grabbed them all. Because I sold these two to the same person. So they sold for $33 and one sale. So that's great. Then I picked up this Harley Davidson. It's just a pullover. It did have a lot of fading, and I do say that in here. It does have fading and wear from washing, so that they are aware of it, but it's a really cool pullover Harley Davidson. It's in a size large, so I thought I'm going to take a chance on it. I only paid 50 cents for this pullover, which is a great deal. Love yard sales because you just never know what you'll find. And I did sell it for $16.95 and they paid shipping on top of that. This is another item that I got on that dollar day from Crazy Kaz Boys. I like to go there and look for things that everyone else isn't looking for. Today I went on their 25-cent day in the late afternoon and picked up, several things. But I guess I'm kind of looking for the oddball things, just like this. This ended up selling within a few days for full price $16.95 and I paid $1. These Altazora pants, they're like a wine color, very like velvet feeling. Had these up for a couple months, but I listed them high, $24.95, and I got a best offer this week for $19. So I took it. $1 in turned into $19. I actually had two of these little Melissa and Doug. They are Blizzard Bears. One had a blue sweater and one had this red sweater. And I know I paid 50 cents at a yard sale for him over the summer. And he sold for the full asking price of $14. Little Kangaroo, he only sold for $6.95 plus the shipping, plus $4.35 shipping. But I paid 25 cents for him. And I just love the little Joey. He comes out separately and that's why I got him. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's too cute. But if you see this right here, this is a light pole. He would not stand up. So we put the pole on him when we were taking this picture just so we could get a close-up of him standing up. Oh, it's so bad. But you do what you gotta do. But happy he sold. It actually took a while for him to sell because he's so small, but he was super cute and I hardly paid anything for him. Same with this guy. He is a super heavy plush, definitely vintage. You just know the vintage plush when they're just like solid, and the tag is usually the fold over tag, which this one is. It's a Dakin. And yeah, he sold for full price $19.95, and I did pick him up for 50 cents at a yard sale. Then, if you have been watching me for any amount of time, you know that I recently picked up all 14, I think, Anna Lee plush, which have the hand-painted faces. You could see right there, the hand-painted faces. Don't know what's going on with his hand there. It looks like he has some thread sticking out there. But in any case, I did take a best offer of $24 on him, but that's plus the shipping. And the same day, to a different person, I sold Mrs. Claus, and she is really cute with her hand-painted face. And same thing, somebody offered $24.50, and I definitely took it. But I have, I think, about 80 cents each into these. They're really kind of neat. They do stand on their own. You see they have a little round platform on the bottom, so they're really cute decoration. Then I sold this Veggie Tales. It's a little hand puppet. I did take a best offer of $14 on him, but that is also plus shipping. And anytime you see anything like Veggie Tales, you definitely pick them up because you can't find them anymore, hardly at all. And lots of people hand down their old DVDs for the next generation of kids, and finding toys that they can play with can be really difficult to do. So I always try to pick up that kind of stuff. And my favorite under $1 item this week was this gorgeous hand crocheted blanket. Look how pretty this is. I actually picked this up at my little thrift store that does color tags. They change every week. And one week when the tag goes, the first week it's half price, and then it goes to 25 cents. This was buried under a bunch of blankets, and I finally found the label, and it was the color tag. That day was just changing to 25 cents. So I got this beautiful handmade blanket for only 25 cents. It was the find of the day for me. And I did sell it for the full asking price, $29.95 plus $12.85 shipping. So basically, all total, I spent about $8.50 for all of those items, and I made just over $200. So that's a pretty good amount of sales. If you're just starting out, you can definitely go and look for inexpensive items that you can find at most yard sales, most thrift stores, and see what you can put on eBay and flip. You may even have friends or family members who have those items just sitting around and they no longer want them, and put, you know, like this picture with my Afghan here. These are not the best pictures. We just put it on our couch right here, and oh, there's our rug. You can see, oh, there's our couch. And we just folded it up so that they could have, you know, a pretty good idea what it looks like. You don't have to have a big professional camera. You can take it with your phone. So definitely this is a time a lot of people need to make some extra money for the holidays. Go ahead and go for it. Find some inexpensive items, put those on eBay, and see what happens. You might make, you know, 10 times your money. Or in this case, 20 times your money. So, all right, that's all for today, guys. Thanks for stopping in. I hope everyone has a great Thanksgiving. Not sure if I'll do a video tomorrow because we'll just be eating some turkey and watching the dog show, because that's what we do at our house. We have a house full of girls, and rather than watch football anymore, we watch the little dog show that comes on in the afternoon, and that's like our holiday tradition. Oh, and we'll put up the Christmas tree tomorrow. So, geez, it's hard to believe it's already time to put up a Christmas tree, but I will see you all, if not tomorrow, then Friday, and have a very happy Thanksgiving and be blessed. Bye.